ChainRad is a deep learning-based radiology software to assist radiologists by returning the possibility of trained diseases from multiple neural network chains simultaneously. We made a working demo for chest X-rays to show the conception of our idea. ChainRad uses common pre-trained models, like VGG, ResNet, DenseNet or GoogleNet as headless models. Headless means that we removed the last classification layers and use only the convolutional parts of those models. We trained 14 neural networks classifiers for different diseases based on the same structure. Our goal was to reach or beat the F1 score of a human radiologist. Why? Since our long-term goal is to make pre-trained networks for healthcare that is learned from radiology images. This can be a huge impact in the long term. In the short term, the software can help to prioritize cases or in differential diagnosis. Furthermore, it is useful when there is no possible way to get a second opinion within a short time range. ChainRad uses well-known pre-trained models at the moment as first chain links in disease detection. Since those models are widely available on any framework, they promise sort of sustainability. On the other hand, ChainRad uses generic model architecture to train for a disease separately. This solution minimizes the training risks and promises high specificity in case of a full guided training process which needs far more time than the limits of a hackathon. During this hackathon, we coded and tested the core functions, the training process, and an inference software with a graphical user interface as well. We also made unit tests to the generated dataset, and we made a whole exploratory data analysis to demonstrate our level of understanding in the data. The IDE follows the requirements of an FDA validation plan from many points of view. However, a whole validation plan exceeds the limits of the hackathon time. The concept of ChainRad is innovative because it uses more pre-trained models and separate classifiers in the same system. Applying transfer learning and training for new diseases was never easier than with our software. In the long term, it is possible to change the whole base model sequence with convolutional networks trained on only healthcare-related images. That's why our software meets the requirements of tomorrow as well. We are thinking this state of ChainRad is rather a proof of concept than a production-ready software, though it has significant performance at the moment as well. In case if ChainRad would have a chance to get developed further, we would retrain the famous computer vision architectures from zero to get more healthcare-compatible networks. Why? Because we think healthcare images significantly differ from pictures of the ImageNet. We are really proud of our submission, since during the hackathon we made the following things: working demo with the UI, 14 trained models, EDA, and the validation plan. Please support us to have the chance to build better models and software. For this we need to have more data and more computational capacity. As you can see, we can code, we understand the data, and we are committed to participate in the building of a much better healthcare in the near future. We need a chance only. Thank you.